news yesterday, and yeah, there were so many people. They went there, and there, so many crowds were there, and some of the reason there, one incident has happened just because of so many people were there. So there, I think 221 people they expired. Okay, so
Okay.
yeah, so many people they were went there to listen the baba's speech. So
Yeah.
thinking that people going to those type of babas who all the time trying to get to their hawks in their hawks. So they are going there, and they are easily doing brainwash of the people. So what do you think? This is good for our society or not?
Yeah, like after seeing, I also feeling pity. Like why people just went there and they just met with this accident, and so many people expired. So it felt me like nowadays on social media we are getting these kind of preaches very easily. Rather than
Mhm.
going here there, we can listen at home. But some people are very close connected. All are like facing these kind of a problem. So they feel after going there, they will get rid of their problems. This kind of people like Babas assure them, if you come
Yes.
us, so I will do something and you will get rid of your problem. So these kind
Mhm.
of people, so many people, they were suffering and they having so many problem, maybe financial, someone's kids are not getting married, yes, someone's kids is not getting good. So these kind of people just go there and try to listen. And I was feeling maybe those are not so much poor and they are maybe family who were earning the bread of their family and they got died. So how they will manage? Yeah, it is not good. Just go there and listen in that much crowd. I always avoid going in that kind of a bustling area.
Yes, yes. Even we should try to, stay at our home. We can listen or watch all the broadcast, all the babas in, TV or our mobile. We
Yeah,
can listen. Also, if we don't want to listen those type of persons, we can easily, read our Gita. Here is also
yeah.
book. We can learn so many morals from their book, from that book. So easily we can get knowledge about those. Yes, so we
I
should
think
try to
everyone
avoid.
knows what is good karma. Everyone knows. But they do bad karma when they suffer something. They just want instant like treatment of like yeah, they think after going Baba, they will get something new and they will get a result. It is not like that. If you work on yourself, you do something good like charity and like do so you can get. And
Yes,
yeah, we having so many resources. You can read books. There are so many motivational speaker are there. You can watch on like mobile. So why we need to go there and just gather too much? Yeah, it is not good. Yeah.
yeah. Also, so many babas who are, they have, criminal record in the, FIR and lost in
Yeah.
the. Yeah, so I heard that he has also, so many little, what I say, younger girl. They were
Yeah.
encountered at. Yes,
They
and they had.
molested. They molested and they did so many wrong thing with the like girls and they boys
Yes,
and they
and
are
they
using those guys.
reconciliated.
Yeah. Like
Yeah.
1 years back, na, there was a big Baba, like you heard a lot. It was on the news and he caught. He was also running this kind of a scam in their mud, whatever they having this kind of a thing. But the people don't get lesson, I think. They always
Hmm.
want to get rid of their, they feel like, yeah, maybe that Baba was not good. Maybe this Baba is much good. They're having faith. Yeah.
Yes, even we have to, admit that we are in 21st century. We should try to avoid those kind of, who are all the time doing some scams with us.
Yeah. And now
Hmm.
we have awareness also, na, due to social media, due to TV, government also spreading awareness, but people na, they don't listen. They always like nowadays we are learning English, and you will see so many like uh, advertisement. You will say like we will teach you in a 30 days, 15 days, yeah, 3 months. and we know we are learning this language without paying any money. So like,
Yes.
yeah, you can do if you put your own effort. So you can do anything. You just listen to your inner voice. Inner voice, what is good, what is bad. That time there is no need to go any Baba. Just do your best in your life. So you don't need to go any Baba. They don't have any miracle. They are just using you. Yeah.
Yeah, they are misusing innocent.
Yeah, innocence. Yeah, these kind of people are very gullible. They are innocent. They always want to good in their life. They are running like they are having so many problems. So they feel like they find a ray of hope. Like, yeah, maybe after that Baba, I will get rid of my problem. So these are the people very innocent, very innocent. They feel like after going they will get something solution. But it is not like
Yes.
that. You need to
Yes.
do your hard work, put your hard work, do something good, and try to find out like what I can do to overcome my this problem.
Yes, yes, right. So are you following any Babas?
I not Babas, like I love to listen Sadhguru. I love to listen Sadhguru. And there is
Okay.
one, what is the name? I forgot. Gopal Gurdas, PK
Okay.
Shivani. I love to listen their preaches. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. So if you have any question from me, so you can.
So have you ever attended any Babas, this kind of a gathering? You,
Never.
you follow any Baba?
No.
No.
Visited.
Do you believe in astrology, palmistry, like ever you went to get solution to any, yeah, I'm facing this problem, what I can do to overcome this? Oh, good.
No, I never visited. But yes, when I was, I was pregnant. Means first time when I was pregnant, so that time I faced, I faced miscarriage problem. I faced. So my mother-in-law, she went to the temple and she, discussed problem with priest, and she's he was suggesting to my mother-in-law that you just take one tabiz. I don't know what is the meaning of in English tabiz. So he gave she gave me, then I wore, and after that I got a baby.
Um, Maybe that time na, we get faith in ourselves. Yeah, it is sometime na, we believe like, yeah, maybe God is with us, but
Yes,
yeah, maybe we don't know what is, yeah.
faithful, we are faithing or not. And some in our society, so many people, they are some people, they are believing the existence of the people. Some people are theists, some people are atheists, right? So judge all the things. This is the I can say sense of the humor of the persons.
Yeah,
Yeah, right.
yeah.
So yes. So what will you do?
Yeah, doing my household chores, like need to go in kitchen, managing my kitchen, cooking for lunch. Yeah, these things I will do. Yeah. And what will you do after like completing this?
Same thing. I will do also. I will
And I
go.
think I should